How you doing, everyone? Your boy Grant here. It's been a while. It's been a while. Wow. But now I'm back. So today I will be doing an unboxing for you guys. And I will be unboxing Sony MDR-AS210s, which is actually a pair of Sony Active earbuds. So let's get into it. So let me get right into it with the unboxing. Make it hard to get into. Really make it hard to get into. I'm ripping the box because it's so hard to get into. Holy crap. Oh my, this is embarrassing. You know what? Forget it. I'm just gonna rip the box. I was trying to save the box, but it seems like I won't be able to do that because, but yeah. The instructions back here with the clip so you can attach the cord to your clothing while you doing your exercise and running or whatever it is that you're doing, so it won't fall off. And then here goes the headphones themselves, the earbuds themselves. Alright, so as you can see, you got the little wings on them so that it will stay secure on your ear. And then you got the in-ear buds right here. Those are the best. Have full sound. Then you got the cable. Now, I have mixed feelings about cables like this with the L shape because a lot of times the L shape don't fall out as much as the straight ones, but at the same time, there's some, like say if your device has a case that hinders you from using the L shape, the L shape is going to be useless. But lucky for me, the case on my phone is a slim case, so the L shape will work. But say if I had like an OtterBox or what's the other one, LifeProof case, this is going to be hard to put it in the headphone jack. Let me see how these fit on. Let's see how these fit. It takes a little struggle to put them on, but they actually do fit on nicely. And I can tell these are not coming out at all. No matter what I do, these are not coming out. So yeah. Now, this is the unboxing of the Sony MDR-AS210s, and I will be doing a full review on these in the near future. I'm going to give y'all the sound, what the sound is like on them, and how it was when I was exercising, all that. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss the review on these. So I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.